And this is called the Arctic Air Ice Jet. And this is the instruction manual. And basically it just kind of tells you how to do it. You know what I mean, jelly beans? Gives you all the instructions. So when you get it, you can read these or not. You don't have to. I'll kind of cover everything. And it's got some warnings on it for best results. So they're telling you, like, you know, you don't have to put them all in there. But yeah, all right. And I don't know if you even have to freeze the things completely. If you just get them cold enough, that might work with that too. So you do get 3 of these, okay? And they want you to cut it here and then pour it into each one of those blue containers that go inside the machine. So you get 3 of them. All right, so it looks like to get into this, we pop this open. And now we've got these 3 doohickeys right here that we've got to fill up with water, and we got to freeze them. All right, so there's 3 of them. So here's your little things that you need to freeze. And if you notice, this is the maximum fill line here. So then we've got to go ahead and pop this off. Now it says that we're supposed to put this inside of there. So I guess we just can rip it open like that, right? And then this goes in here like this. All right, which is kind of weird. I don't know what this is. This must be something that keeps the ice from freezing too much. But apparently you put it in before, and then you're going to fill it up to this line here, right here. Okay, so here we go. Oops. All right, I think that's good. All right, let's put our top on. I mean, it's kind of hard to figure out where you're putting the frickin' thing in. Let's go ahead and get that one on there. Set that one over there. Let's get another one. And let's get this one. Take her off, right? Let's grab our other doohickey here. Let me show this to you. So this is what you put in there. They don't want you ingesting this, so let's put it in. Okay, that's in. Let's fill her up. Okay, that's it. That's good. Let's put the top on. I might spill a little out. Put the top on. If I can get it on. Okay, so that's 2. All right, we got to do 1 more. All right, let's get this one off. And let's go ahead and fill her up with regular. I think I had just enough. There we go. This doesn't want to come out. Okay, we got it. Let's fill her up. Okay, that's good. Let's put the top on. All right, apparently we did this the proper way now. Now we've got all 3 of these. Now we got to put them into the freezer and freeze them. So let's go over here to the freezer, open her up, and let's just set it in there, right there. And then we'll come back in about an hour or so and we'll use them. Here we go. Let's plug it in. All right, we're ready to go. Now we just got to plug this into our device. So I just moved it over here on the kitchen counter, and we're just going to go ahead and get this plugged in, USB-C to USB-C. We just jam her in there. All right, so it's been a couple hours. These things are frozen, nice and frozy. Let's bring them over here. And let's put them inside of our machine. To get them inside the machine, we open up this little side door. And remember, these screw caps up. So we'll set one there. Now you don't have to put them all in here, but I'm just gonna put them all in here for now. And I'm just gonna set them down. And then we just close it, right? Ready to go. Now, let's go ahead and turn around and see what we think. Oh, that's cold. That's definitely cold. You can definitely feel it. You feel it? Now if I press it again, you're going to hear a change in the speed. It went down. If I click it again, it goes even lower. And then if I click it again, it goes off. So here's the top speed, the first click. That's the strongest speed. Then if you want it less, you go here. And if you want it less than that, you go there. If you want to turn it off, you go like that. And that's it. Bam. And on the side, this changes the direction of those little things in there. You see how they're moving around, the little levers? When I move that, yeah, all right. To change the colors, I come on this side here. You see that? Look at all those colors. Here we go. Ready? I like that. That's my favorite, I think, so far. Let me bring it back here so you can watch. So you can see it. Look at this. Looks cool right here, right? There's red. There's like purple. There's deep blue. There's like a violet. There's like a yellow green. There's a green. There's a light. No, this is changing color. Look, this is all the colors. So you can get all three of them. And that's off. I'm gonna go to blue. I like blue. What do you guys think? Here we are. Check it out. I'm getting chilled. There's low. There's a little bit lower. That's off. That's high speed there. So now it's just blowing it right into my face and cooling me down. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.